I always sit with myself and start thinking, why do I love creating educational content even though I can create other content that might earn me more money? This question has always been on my mind, and the answer is clear. I feel a sense of satisfaction when I present this type of content. Every time I make a video, I feel satisfied and have a desire to create another one. After publishing the video, I feel satisfied that I have provided something useful. This has been the main motivation and fuel for working on YouTube and delivering video content one after another. As long as I provide tutorials and create educational content, there are probably many people who also enjoy offering valuable content. There are indeed many channels that provide educational content in various fields. Some offer tutorials in technology, make money online, health, languages, and more. This made me think about how we can leverage artificial intelligence to create simple and fast educational content. In this video, I will share with you a very easy, simple, and professional method through which you can create educational content, whether you want to make short or long content. I will give you the strategy, but remember to think outside the box because it's not necessary to follow exactly what I say. You can make changes and discover new ideas with the same strategy. The method I share in this video is 100% free and truly brings in significant interaction and views. Before we dive in, please like and subscribe so we can reach 5K subscribers as soon as possible. Thanks for your wonderful comments. Let's get started. The idea of this video is to create quick and simple tests consisting of questions and answers in various subjects like language, math, culture, history, and more. We'll focus on teaching English because there are thousands, if not millions, of people worldwide who want to learn English. Searching for quiz on TikTok suggests Quiz English, indicating the high importance of teaching English. Look at the views. This video has over 15 million views, lasting more than a minute. With a question and multiple choice answers, you can target any audience such as beginners or professionals in English. I've gathered 8 simple English tests for kids and beginners. Test 1, what is the name of this animal? Test 2, what is the name of this item in the kitchen? Test 3, what is the name of this color? Test 4, what is the name of this fruit? Test 5, what is the name of these vegetables? Test 6, what is the name of these clothes? Test 7, what is the name of these household tools? Test 8, what is the name of this plant? These ideas weren't created by me but were generated using AI, and there are many more. Let's choose the first test about animal names in English. We'll use 2 AI tools for this method. The first one is ChatGPT, where we'll write the script and content, and the second one is Canva. Stay with me until the end to learn how to get Canva Pro for free exactly like I did. We'll go into ChatGPT and type, create a quiz to test the English level. Give me a table containing 10 animal emojis and their names in English. ChatGPT will provide us with a table like this with emojis of animals in the first part and their names in the corresponding section. Now let's leave ChatGPT and come back to it later. Next, we enter Canva and choose social media, then the format for short videos. We won't use a template but create one from scratch. Now go to the Photos section. If you can't find it, enter Apps, and you'll find Photos inside it. Type Background to find a suitable background. I'll choose a white one. Press Text, create a title like Test Your English Language, resize and position it at the top and choose a clear color like black. After adding the title, go back to ChatGPT, copy an emoji like an elephant, paste it into Canva, center it and enlarge it to take up a significant space. Now I'll go to the title, click on it, and press Duplicate. Then, place this text under the emoji and write, Guess this animal. Now we've completed about half the work. Imagine there's not much left to add, and the video will be ready with just a click. Choose a shape from the Elements section and position it under the Guess This Animal phrase. To animate it while waiting for the result, click on it, press Animate, choose Wipe, and reduce the speed to the maximum. Now we need a second page where the answer will appear. Quickly press Duplicate Page and make a few adjustments. Delete unnecessary elements, change the Guess This Animal phrase to the name of an animal like elephant, copy it from ChatGPT and paste it here. This is considered the correct answer, so enlarge it, change its color, and add an outline effect. Now the first video is almost ready. We'll set 4 seconds for the question page and 1.5 seconds for the answer page. Almost forgot to add a nice touch to the video. Go to Elements, search for Yes, take this shape, and place it under the word elephant. For the last and magical step, go to Apps, click on Bulk Create, then enter data manually. Delete the existing entries, go back to ChatGPT, copy all the information from the table, including the titles, and paste everything into Canva in the first box. Finally, click on Done. Now first click on the elephant image, then choose Connect Data, and press Emoji to link all the emojis in the table with this elephant image. Now on the second page, go to the answer because it will change with every question. Click on it and choose Connect Data. Then select English name. Don't forget to link the elephant in the second page to the data, just like we did on the first page. After linking these 3 things, directly press Continue and then click on generate 10 designs. Wait for a few seconds and voila, the video is ready with just a click. All the pages are here. Let's make sure everything is good. Now it's crucial to add sound effects. We'll add the sound of a ticking clock. Go to Elements, search for Audio, type clock ticking, and choose any suitable sound. Place it for the entire video. Another sound is needed during the answer reveal. Search for ding, listen to the sounds, and choose one. I liked the second sound. Now place it in every instance where the answer appears. Finally, click Share, and then Download. Make sure you select all the pages and download the video in HD quality. Let's see the result together. I have a good offer if you want to get a new US TikTok beta account. This website has been reopened after being closed for some time. I explained it in the previous video and was shocked to find it closed, but now it's back. Take advantage of the opportunity to buy an account at the lowest price because it will increase soon due to high demand. If you use the promo code MINADO20 at checkout, you will get a 20% discount. Don't wait too long. The store link is in the first comment. Now let's try another example together, like test number 5, which revolves around vegetable names. Go to the same template we created initially in Canva. Replace the word animal with vegetable, making the phrase guess this vegetable. Click on enter data manually, then clear table. Now enter ChatGPT and type a similar prompt, just changing a few words. Create a quiz to test your English level. Give me a table containing the emojis for vegetables with their names in English. Send the prompt. Here's the ChatGPT response with the first section as emoji and the second section as vegetable name. Copy everything and go back to Canva. Paste everything into the first box and click Done. Start connecting the data with these elements, press Continue, and finally click Generate 10 Designs. Wait for 5 seconds and now everything is ready. Add the ticking clock sound, search for clock ticking, choose a suitable sound and place it for all the pages in this video. Search again for ding, choose the second beautiful sound and place it in all the pages where the answer appears. Finally, download the video and let's watch it together. Share your thoughts in the comments. Now let's try the third and final test, a bit different from the first two. I'll guide you through it for a better understanding of the method and how to apply it to any idea you want. The third test will be a quick math proficiency test. Enter ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Creating a math proficiency test, provide a table containing various addition operations, and write the corresponding answers in the adjacent column. I asked for a table about addition operations, but you can request subtraction, multiplication, or all of them. As you can see, ChatGPT provided exactly what we needed. Copy everything, then go to Canva and create a new template. This time we'll use a video background. In the video section, search for background and find a beautiful background like this brown one. Add it, set it as the video background, and now let's add text and shapes to the video. First, write math test and place it as the title at the top. Then go to Elements and search for math-related shapes or symbols. Add any one of them. Now, I'll write down any operation that comes to mind, or you can enter Canva and copy the longest operation to save time on editing later. I'll copy another operation, place it in the center, and write respond quickly underneath. I'll change the color to yellow and add an effect. At the bottom of this template, add any beautiful shape representing math to make the video more appealing. Don't forget to include a timer or any element indicating the waiting time for an answer. On the answer page, write any large number like this. Finally, link each data to its corresponding information and click Generate. The video is ready. I've added sound effects, downloaded the video, and now let's watch it together. Thank you. We've created 3 videos together, easy to share on TikTok and YouTube. If you want a Canva Pro account without paying anything, simply go to Twitter or X. Then in the search bar, type a canva.com brand join. Various teams will appear. Try joining them by clicking on these links. Experiment with different links until you enter a specific team and enjoy all the features available in Canva. If you liked today's video idea, give it a like and subscribe. Don't forget to activate the notification bell. See you in the next video with new ideas.